What's up, world? Welcome to Wttdx. I am the Dean. Yeah. This episode, I'm gonna show you a quick tip. A little fun. You heard these tracks, from Drake and then from other cats in the industry. As far as you're hearing this automation going on, you're hearing the filtering going on. You hear the filtering lift up and the filtering go away. You're like, how that happens? How are the sonics being manipulated that way? I'm gonna show you. Quick tip. If you haven't already, first off, I appreciate all y'all who have subscribed, who's riding with me, support me, through all of it. It's much appreciated, definitely. And understand, it's a lot of growth going on over here. It's a lot of work, but I love it. It's life, baby. I want to inspire you to be a better version of yourself every day, every episode that I drop. It's just to inspire you to be the better version of yourself, to learn, and to grow. We all in this together. We all growing, I'm not perfect. I just strive to get there. Only one that's perfect is God. Only one that's perfect is God. Huh? But now, no more rambling. Let's get to the show. Welcome to the Experience. I'm in it still. You wanna know how that was done? That was a high cut filter. How that was done, I went to my high band, high frequency band, made my adjustments here. 130, made the band tighter, lift up the frequency of that band. Then, this is in Logic Pro. Then you go over here. Let me turn it on. I already have it activated. Go over here. This is your automation tab. Then you make your adjustments. You click twice, make your adjustments. As you can see, I made my adjustments all through. But prior to that, go right over here. After you click your automation, check its volume. This, as you can see, is high frequency cut, which is under the channel EQ, whatever the plugin that you're utilizing you want to automate. Here's high frequency cut. You can do that multiple ways. You can do low frequency cut, where you take out some of the lows. To do that, you can take out some of the lows and you can automate that as well. The same sense. And all plugins has that ability to be automated. It's all through the channel strip, through your automation, and you can work your magic. You want a more optimized YouTube experience? Holla at yo buddy, my buddy, TubeBuddy. Click that link below. You get a discount. I get some change for that. Appreciate it all. For more videos of Wttdx in the stew, click these videos.